Hello friends, welcome back again. So this video is the part 2 of TradingView course, you can say. I was telling you about everything about TradingView and how to use it, how to utilize it in your different analysis. So in the previous lecture we discussed about this upper line and everything is in it. I explained everything about this portion, and this is the second part of the same series. We will discuss this line, everything here, the cross and lines and Fibonacci retracements and all the things that we can use, which are on this side of the TradingView chart. So let's start. Here is something. It's just a pointer. We can make it of 4 different types. It's a currently I'm using this cross. We can switch it to a dot. It will look at this dot or arrow, like a normal mouse arrow, or a eraser, look like a eraser but not actually. Okay, so this is generally we use the cross. Okay, here comes the next things, you can say. A lot of things are here, and I'm expecting this portion will not be clearable. The side portion will not be clearable in one lecture, so we will divide it into two or three or whatever we need. Okay, so here comes the trend line. If we start from here, it will be a straight line, and there are a few conditions for it. You can look at this. You can estimate a trend using this line, that where the market is going and where the price action is going. Okay, look like this or this, whatever suits you and whatever is correct according to your analysis, you can use it accordingly. But there's a problem. Your trend line must touch at least two prices on the line. Look like this one and this one, or this one, any two. If it touches the two lines, then it will be called as a trend line. You can not draw it anywhere, any kind, and once you draw it at the bottom, look like this. You can also draw it on the upper side, like if you use the term higher highs and higher lows, etc. You can estimate those from here using the trend line. And here's the setting for the trend line, and this setting is available for all other things too. You can change the color of the line just like this. You can increase or decrease the thickness of the line from here. You can switch it to dash line, dotted line, and etc. And you can also make other settings here, but these are not mandatory because it's a very simple trend line. You can use it simply. Okay, here it comes. This is visual order: bring to back, send to back, bring forward, and whatever, wherever you want to. If you want it on the front, you can take it. If you want it on the back side of another chart, you can do this, whatever. The next thing is arrow. It's very much similar to this, but it will show an arrow. That's it. Rest is the simple ordinary equal things. Okay, so let me clear it, remove drawings. Okay, coming to the next one, which is ray. The ray is unended. If you spot the first dot here and the second dot here, it will go directly in the same direction as long as you want. Okay, even if you don't want, it will go forward and go forward. Like I placed it here, and it will keep going and keep going. You will not have to try it again and again. And this is generally used to check the old trends, long time trends. Like if I want to see the support and resistance levels at here, I will put it here and here, and then it will tell me for the rest of the chart that where is the support level or the resistance level, whatever I am talking about, where it starts and where it ends. This was the arrow, ray, info line, extended line. These are all lines, but I don't think I have to explain them separately. It will take a lot of time and it will be very much useless. But something comes here. Let me clear the drawings, expand the chart. This is going to be something important. So let's come here, and that is regression trend. If you start from here and draw the line till here, it will automatically draw a trend of upper side and lower side both. Like starting from here, the market went here, and it will tell these are the tops and these are the bottoms, and this is the central line which we drew actually here. It will make the center at the center of these both stops and draw the regression. You can also try it here. Let me draw. We started from here and came all the way here. So look, it already drew this line. So if we talk about candlestick patterns, this will be very much helpful in determining candlestick patterns like bullish flag, bullish rectangle, bearish flag, bearish rectangle, and all those things. This will be helpful for those. Okay, you can use it in many ways. Let's remove it and go for the next one. These are the same, but not similar, but very much same things. Look at this. Sorry, if you draw changing pattern like this and like this, flat top, when you have a flat top and higher lows, you can use this one. If you're it will tell you the level of the level of change, how much change you are seeing in this. Like this, the lower is going high and the top is a bit flat. So this indicator shows you this, that if you draw it longer, it will tell you how up and how down it can go and where is the support and resistance if it follows this pattern, this specific pattern. Okay, coming to the disjoint channels, it looks like this. When volatility is decreasing, like let me go for a sorry, not this one. I will pick up, was that this? Here it is, Elliott wave pattern. I will explain it later. If you see that the pattern is going like this, the volatility is decreasing. So this chart, this joint is going to tell you that where will be the breakout. Like I'm just suggesting it to show you. You will draw it according to the chart and whatever is happening in the market actually, but I'm just trying it to make you understand about it. Look, if this is the chart like this and like this, then it will show how much we have here, how much volatility is decreasing, and where it will go and cross like this. If it's going like this, it will keep moving, and here will be the point where the volatility will be at its least, and here we can see a break up or breakdown according to the conditions that we have in the market. That's a different topic, but this will show how the market is going to react and where the breakout will going to be seen. This discount channel help you understand this. Okay, this is another thing, the parallel channel. I just forgot to tell you this. Like this, these are two different things. We drew regression trend and parallel channel. These two are similar things, but one is automated and one is manual. Let me clear these drawings and let me draw a parallel trend. We drew only one line in case of regression trend, and it drew the others on itself. But in this parallel channel, we will draw it on our own. Where's the support, where's the high, and where are the lows? We will touch those, and here will be the chart. That this is the trend, and these are the support and resistance levels which can be broken or whatever it is. We can trade according to this. So this was the first part, and I think it's already too long about trading view chart, and we are ending up at parallel channels. We will be back with another video where I will be explaining Fibonacci retracements and its components, Fib circles, etc., but not all, but the majors that we need generally. So we will be right back with another video. Stay tuned. Goodbye. Take care.